that not y'all, because the sun is directly behind me. I'm trying to keep you guys out of sunlight. But stop by the shop, see what's up, help the guys out a little bit, and had Carlos come look at the car just to see what we're up against for the rear and front bumper. And we found a little problem. See right there, I don't know if you guys can see it, but right here is a reaction on the paint. So this side is, yeah, that it right there. You can see those right there. So either something was spilt on it right before we painted, or something. I don't understand. On the other side is not. I think I had. Yep. Hold on. Wipe it down real quick. It's dusty out here. On the other side, there, here. So that's about it. 2 small bubbles on this side. All right. Overall, that's our situation right now. But just to give you guys a little treat, here's what in the sun. It hasn't been sanded or polished as yet. Last video from me was a week ago, so decided to throw something up. You guys see, minor surgery, can't lift, do too much, and been trying to get my backyard straight. I'll give you guys a video of that also, before and after. All right, but hey, thank you guys for sticking with me. I appreciate it. Love you guys so much. A little short video. Oh, and yeah, parked the car outside. Window decided not to go up, so now I gotta take the inside skin off to see what is up with the regulator, because it's a brand new regulator. But bumper's on, small little touches, sand fill, pretty much, and that'll be ready for paint. I got the wing at home, finishing that, and front bumper just need to sand that bottom spot, that one, and it'll be ready for paint. So I gotta take the fenders off this coming weekend. Take the fenders off this coming weekend and see what the hell their reaction was. And this time we'll be real careful when we go to hit them. Make sure there's no reaction. All right, but one more time. See what it looks like. All right. As always, appreciate you guys, family. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Give you guys a little update. What's going on? Still on lifting restrictions, so I can't lift too much. But give you guys an update of where we're at. Hopefully this weekend we can. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not gonna plan anything because you know how that goes. All right, Uncle Murphy. All right. So hey, appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, and just giving you guys an update where we're at. All right. Catch you in the next video. Well, like I told you guys earlier at the shop, kind of prematurely ended, but this is the end. Just to show you guys, I've been down but not out. Still been getting stuff done. These are the trim pieces to the top of the car. These were hard to come by, and I happened to snatch them up at a junkyard. Found some pretty good ones in great condition. And the wing, have some spots to fill here in the back and here. Other than that, it's pretty much sanded down. Just gotta hit it with some 400 prime and paint, and the gauge cluster is taped up, ready to fill these openings right here. Just gotta fill them in with Bondo, and they'll be done. A little setback with the fenders. not really big. I'll be back at the shop this weekend, so I'm gonna jump right back at it and mine that spots on the rear bumper, sand the front, hit up the fenders, see what the problem is there, and we throw a prime and go paint. Hopefully shoot clear. I'm gonna see if it's possible we get it done the following weekend, which will be the third week in March. And if it gets done, we sand, buff, that's it. But like I said earlier, can't make any promises. All right, time I promise a deadline, it doesn't happen. Life steps in. Go check that video out. It does. Okay, so hey, as always, appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I love y'all, and without y'all I won't be getting this far. All right, I appreciate the motivation and the encouragement. Those of you watching, subscribing, and don't forget, there's channel merch to be had. Be a part of the family. Go ahead and pick up a shirt. It's $15 shipped to you, and you can proudly wear your shirt representing Talkie Designs. All right, thank you guys so much, and hey, only way from here is up. All right, y'all have a good one.